Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera gel at home and the same time preserve it. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Obapa Ekweskini. So you need some fresh aloe vera leaf, and you may see a yellowish liquid when you cut the leaf from the plant. It's usually the first part to drip out, and just wipe it up. After the resin has drained, then wash the leaf. Wash it very well because we don't want any bacteria on it. Cut the edge of this section and open up your leaf section. So you can watch how I'm making it, then you do the same thing, because we need to remove all the green skin from it. Most time we have aloe vera leaf and we be thinking, how do I preserve it? Because when you remove it and you blend it or you use it to make a gel and some left, you can't keep it for a longer period. Use a knife to scrape out the gel and liquid into a clean bowl. So because we can't keep up for a longer period, I'm going to show you how you can preserve this aloe vera gel, or how to make aloe vera gel and keep it for at least 1 year without not going bad. Aloe vera gel contains a lot of health benefits. It's good for the skin, the hair, and even you can drink it for a healthy lifestyle. If you want to look healthy, you can drink the gel. They have a way they make it into juice, then you drink it. So easy to make. So if you have aloe vera plant, just follow this procedure. Once all of your leaves are peeled, use your food blender to blend until smooth. Because I'm going to make it gel, I need to blend it. So you blend it until it's smooth, and we don't want any particles in this aloe vera gel, so I'll be straining it. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E, which are antioxidants. It also contains vitamin B12, so it has a lot of nutrients. When it comes to aloe vera gel, it's very good for sensitive skin too. Strain the aloe vera with a strainer. We don't want any particles in this aloe vera gel that we are going to make, so be patient and strain. It takes time, but you get there, because we have to make sure that we don't have any particles in it. One thing about aloe vera is that you can use it to formulate skincare products or hair products, and even you can drink it. So it contains a lot of nutrients. That's one thing. It can even lighten the skin, and even if you have that spot or if you are sensitive skin, you can use it. So when it comes to aloe vera, it's something that I love it. When it comes to skincare products, I want aloe vera to be in because of its benefit. Even when you use it on your face fresh like that, it really makes your face look younger. So try and involve aloe vera gel in your product. Measure the quantity that you need for this recipe. So I'll be using Glucomannan for my taking or my gelling process, because this is very good. It has a lot of skin nutrients. That's why I'm using it. Also, I need preservative, and I'm using Germaben 2 preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. Just follow the manufacturer instruction. So I have measured my aloe vera that I got. So this is what I got, the aloe vera that I'm using. So you measure it, and what we are going to do is to add our Glucomannan powder to the aloe vera. This is going to help taking the aloe vera and turn it into a gel, which is going to be a clear gel. I used xanthan gum to make some last time too. Yes, I didn't video it, but the one I use xanthan gum to make it, I use it in a video that I make for hand sanitizer. So this video, I will write down the recipe for the xanthan gum one and the recipe for the Glucomannan one, that's this one, so that if you don't have this powder, you can use xanthan gum to make it. Glucomannan may also help to maintain serum lipid level. So you can use Glucomannan to make serum, face masks because it contains a lot of skin benefit. Please try and read about it. That's one of the best natural gum to use to make your skincare product. So keep stirring until everything dissolves in the water. It will look liquid. It's normal, but later it will thicken up. So add in the preservative. I said earlier on that you can use any preservative of your choice. So you add in your preservative. So when it comes to natural products, so this is 100% natural because the glucomannan is natural way, and it's it's a natural ingredient. Let me say it's a natural ingredient. So you can read about it. It contains a lot of health benefits. People even eat it for a weight loss. If they want to lose weight, they just use it to lose weight, and it's also good for skin too. That's why I'm using it, but most I use xanthan gum too. Now you have a clear gel with a uniform texture, so you can see how clear the gel is. Very beautiful and nice. I really like this texture very well, and I can just apply this on my face and it's going to work for me. I'm going to get all the benefits in my aloe vera gel in the same time, the powder. So transfer it into a clean container of your choice, and you can keep this for 1 year. Yes, 1 year. So you can make a large quantity if you have aloe vera plant in your house. And you can use this gel to formulate face serum, face masks, even add it to your lotion making process, and even scrub, and it's going to work for you. When you use it to make body scrub too, it's going to work for you. So you use it to formulate your skincare product, even hair product too, it's going to work for you. Just store it in a cool, dry place. So at the end of this video, you see that I have written the recipe in percentage and in gram for this video, and also the xanthan gum percentage and measurement. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.